So guys, now all what is left is to rotate the carousel itself. We want this number 1 to come here, and number 2 start to come here, and then number 3 to start to come here, and then number 2 goes here, and then 3 come here, just like this. How can we do that, and how can we use the buttons to do that? Actually, this is very easy. All the complications have just like passed, and now all what we want is just like to rotate this carousel. So let me show you something that is very easy. Now we'll change this function to be rotate carousel, and we will say here function. So let's see what we will do in the rotate carousel. All what we do, instead of saying here cell, just like what you see here, we will say, instead of that, we will say carousel. But there is something that we have to take care of, and we have to pay attention for. If we said rotate Y before translate the something, just like something strange will happen. The carousel will not change the way we want it to change. So if we came back here and we said rotate, so rotate carousel like this, and we will make this n for example this time will be just like 36. Let's try now and see what will happen. You see, the carousel changed its place. You might ask now why, but actually I don't know. But if I will just tell you now why I don't know. If you just like put the translate Z before the rotate Y, everything will, well, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, actually I should just like we are not making it more, we are making it less. So yeah, everything now is working fine. But just like if we got back here and we made it like this, and even we sit here negative and we try to change the carousel place, look, the carousel will go to another place. I don't know why, but there's something strange, you know. How could we do that? Okay, we will make a redo. Yeah, Control Y. Okay. Well, the Control Y is not working, so we will take the translate from here and we will put it here, you know, and now everything will work just fine, you see. But we have now the 10 appearing. So alright, the rotate Y, I will put the N again. Okay, and let me say that this is N also. And now how we will use this N, I'll show you right now. If I say right now like this, nothing will happen because the N is actually 0. How we will use that? We will use it in the next and in the prev. So if we came here and we said that next will equal the document dot query selector dot next, which is a button, the first button, and the prev will equal document dot query selector dot prev, which is a previous button, and we came here and we said we will make the same function 2 times. So next dot add event listener, next dot add event listener, and we will say like this, and click on click, what will happen? We will put the E just like this, and now we have this. Let me tell you what will happen now. So all what we want to do is to rotate the carousel just like by 36 degree, just like the cell does, and to keep the translate Z as it is. That's all what we want to do. So we want exactly to apply this. Now for the next, if we said that this will make it go backward, not forward, so it will, if we just like put the rotate carousel here, and we say n, and in each time we press next, we will make it just like add angle, just like we did here for the cells. So in each time it will increase the n value. So let's see what will happen now if we did that and we go back here and next. Yep, as you see, there is some change that is happening. I'll make that appear in a better way. I'm sorry. Let's make a transition all. Let us make it 1 second and ease. So you see, now the things are changing, and even the opacity, we will remove the opacity because we don't need it right now. Yeah, like this. Look. So the first next is actually 0, and this is not a good thing. So what we gonna do is to make it here. At first you will put the angle and then you will add it to the rotate carousel. Now everything is working fine, but the only problem is that we will minus the angle, not increase it. And if we make it like this and we say next, yep, everything is working. I'm sorry for that, what you see. There is a solution for that if you don't want it to appear like this, but the next is working fine and everything, and we will make the same thing for the prev here. The thing that will change is that we will make this plus, and now you are ready to make the rotate carousel. So if you did like this, you will get the 10. If you did like this, you will get the 1. So everything is working. But just like to avoid what is happening, no, nothing is happening. Yeah, to avoid this, why don't we just like make the n equal minus 360, you know, and let's see what will happen. Yep. So as you see now, everything is working. It's not magic. So whatever happened here is just like we will start from the right position, and when we do that and when we do that, everything is working fine, because minus 360, now we are talking in the right way about defining the angle, and everything now is working in the way that we want it to work. And this transition helped us a lot to make an animation going on here. So as you see, of course you can change the cells and make them with real pictures, with beautiful ones, and everything will work fine, you know. So this was how to make a 3D carousel. We learned how to make it with a just like a limited number of cells here. But in the next time, which is actually in the Pokemon web, no, not in the Pokemon website, just like we will do that without the Pokemon website, and we will do it with unlimited number of cells. So whatever number I put here, the things will work fine, and all of this will be reset to just like to suit the number of cells here. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood the carousel, the 3D carousel. If you needed anything, just put in the comments, and I'll make sure to reply to you as fast as possible and to try to make things more clear. Thank you all for watching, and see you in another video.